Hey everyone, it's your girl CampingKupcakez, and on today's episode of Pimp My Van, this is my 2001 Ford Econoline E-150, and most of the work is done, but I decided to do a video today on adding a swivel seat to my passenger side captain's chair. This way it'll open up some room in the van, and everything online says it should be an easy install. So I've already removed the bolts, and that was pretty easy. Two of the bolts have like a star tip, and the other is just a regular socket. Can't remember what size it is, but just 4 bolts. I'll remove the chair, and I will remove the chair from the base, and then I'll add the new base. So okay, so we've got those 4 bolts and the new base. This is the new base. Not exactly sure how this goes. Let's see. Guess that's it. I may have to cut the carpet out. And there's also an airbag. Hold on. There's a cable for the airbag. This is what I'm most concerned about, because there's really no good place for this. And I don't know what to do about that. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to cut the carpet out. There it is. Okay. It's very stiff, but once the chair is on, you can give it some momentum. It probably needs some oil too, but I'll do that later. So yeah, my major concern is the airbag cable not being plugged in. Maybe when I remove the carpet, it will give me a little more clearance to pull out more of the cable. If not, then I've got to figure something out, because I want my airbag to be able to work. So I will put you guys on pause and be right back. Alright, so we're removing the carpet from the spot where you always want to have a clean work environment. Alright, so now we're going to install our swivel seat. Alright, I think we are good. We are definitely good here. So we've already installed our swivel seat. We just need to bolt it in. We need to remove the bolts from the actual chair and then mount it to the seat, plug in the airbag, and we'll be done. Alright, so now I'm adding the base, the swivel base, to the bottom of the captain's chairs. I skipped some steps because there was no point in watching me sweat while I took these screws off and these nuts off. So this is the last one. Alright, so now we have the swivel base attached to the captain's chair. Now I gotta lift this big heavy thing up and put it in its place on the two screws that are sticking out the floor, and then I will secure it, hook up the airbag. That might take a little while, so I may not video that, but hopefully in the next 5 minutes we'll have a swivel seat, and that will open the space up so much more. So here we go. We're almost there. We're almost there. That's what she said. Alright, let's see. I'm trying to find a hole. One, there's two. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. A swivel seat. And I'm going to screw them in now. If I can find the bolts. The nuts that go in here. Give me 1 second. So this is the piece I was telling you about to unscrew. I had to buy that special because I didn't have one. All right, so we've got the front secured. I guess I could technically test this. Let's see. Guess I should secure it down first. But voila. We've got a swivel seat. So now I can have guests and they can sit here. Best seat in the house, other than the couch / bed. But when the bed's down, at least there's somewhere to sit and opens up the space. And I did it. And I probably did it within like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So thank you guys for watching. This is your girl CampingKupcakez. And I'm out in my new swivel seat. I can do the swivel dance. Yeah. I guess I can lean back. Woo, yes. Give me a little ottoman. Guess I'll make one of those. Actually, my toilet will probably be my ottoman. Yeah, which is what you guys are watching on right now. So, yeah. I've got a swivel seat. I've got a swivel seat. Thanks for watching.